Welcome to the ultimate challenge, transforming a neglected, rusty car into a high-performance, head-turning supercar. Get ready for an incredible journey. This isn't just a restoration, it's a complete engineering overhaul. We're pushing the limits to achieve true supercar status. Behold our starting point. Years of neglect have left this car ravaged by rust and decay. This is the before footage you won't believe. Our goal is ambitious. Rebuild this wreck into a machine capable of competing with modern supercars, both in looks and performance. The first phase is destructive yet crucial. Complete disassembly to address the extensive rust damage lurking beneath the surface. We meticulously strip the car down to its bare chassis. Every component must be inspected, repaired, or replaced. Removing the deep-seated rust requires aggressive methods. We used sandblasting and specialized chemicals to ensure a clean, stable foundation. Next comes the crucial bodywork and structural reinforcement, preparing the chassis to handle extreme supercar power and speed. We implemented custom frame modifications and strategic reinforcement points, far beyond the original design, ensuring ultimate rigidity and safety. Damaged and rusted panels were cut out and replaced. We spent countless hours shaping the body to achieve that signature aggressive supercar profile. A supercar requires a heart of pure power. It's time for the engine and drivetrain to get their major upgrade. We installed a high-performance engine, capable of delivering over 700 horsepower. This monster is fully optimized and ready to roar. To handle the immense power, we installed a competition-grade suspension and a massive brake system, essential for control at supercar speeds. The exterior transformation moves into the aesthetic phase, achieving a flawless, mirror-like finish that screams performance and luxury. After painstaking prep work and primer, we applied a multi-stage, vibrant red paint job that rivals the best finishes in the automotive world. The final exterior touches include installing custom aerodynamic carbon fiber parts and fitting massive, lightweight performance wheels to complete the supercar stance. A true supercar experience demands a world-class cockpit. We're upgrading the interior to match the exterior's new status. The cockpit received custom racing seats, a revamped dash with modern digital displays, and integrated high-end technology for performance monitoring. After months of hard work, the moment we've all been waiting for is here. The final reveal and the first test drive of our transformed supercar. Look at the incredible difference. From a rusty shell to a stunning performance machine. The transformation is truly breathtaking. Watch as the new supercar tears up the road. The power, the handling, the sound, it all validates the hundreds of hours put into this epic build. Thanks for joining us.